कांय दिसां आदीं मडगांव सब रजिस्ट्रार ऑफिसांत मॅरेज रजिस्ट्रेशन फ्रॉड सुरू आशिल्ल्याचो इशू मुखार आयिल्लो. दक्षिण गोंयच्या आदोगादांचे संघटनेन पुलिशेन हो प्रकार सिरियस घेवचो, रॅकेट सोदून काडचें म्हूण मागणी केल्ली. हे विशीं FIR नोंद जाल्या. केशींनी एजन्सीचो आस्पाव आसा, कारवाय सुरू आसा म्हूण मंत्री आलेश उलयलो.
That have been submitted to the sub-registrar issues your registrations, etc. based on certain documents. It has been found that those documents are bogus. So, based on that, some certificates have definitely been issued.
Has there been any case or any investigation? Or any
I think FIRs have been filed with the police. The police are in the process of investigation. In fact, maybe about 2-3 weeks ago, I had a review of a particular case that had been filed at Fatorda police station. But police are a little slow.
So, a few days back, the South Goa Advocate Association has also filed a complaint with the Fatorda police.
No, I am aware about it. But as I said, you see, investigation per se is within the hands of the police, not within our hands. So, complaints have been filed there. Now it is left to the police to investigate, because it involves a lot of agencies. It is not only, I'm just saying, it's not only this particular office or that particular office. It involves a lot of agencies.
आतां मेरेन सब रजिस्ट्रारा मुखार असल्यो 7 केशी आयिल्ल्यो आसात. सरकारी ऑफिसरांच्या नांवान अश्यो बोगस सर्टिफिकेटी दिवपाचे प्रकार वाडल्यात आनी हे प्रकरण सिरियस म्हूण सब रजिस्ट्रार सूरज वेर्णेकार उलयलो.
In January 2025, this last January, actually we had detected one fake residence certificate. While approving the marriage applications, we detected one of the fake. How we detected is that because we doubted, because that Mamledar was not here posted. So by typing the reference number of that residence certificate online, we went into the site and saw that that residence certificate was not in respect of that applicant. But we just wanted to stop it. Actually, last time there were 7 cases and we had told the police to investigate this matter because it is very serious, because the such fake certificates from government officers are being made false or fake.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.